warm welcome to your own show, Gurseema's Gupshup. So today I have got a beautiful girl here for the Gupshup who is a UPSC aspirant, yes, as well as she is into many more things. So very warm welcome to adorable girl, Kasvi Khurana.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure is all mine to have you here. Kasvi, there is one segment, my audience know it, that is Rubaru. Aapki kahani, aapki zubani. To initiate the Gupshup, so let's listen something about yourself.
First and foremost, thank you so much for having me.
Pleasure
Your
is mine.
introduction was so sweet.
Thank you.
सोने नु सब सोना लगता है.
हाँ, सोने नु सब सोना लगता है.
So very
It's
happy
Soni ji
to be
Mutiar. I would like to say, Soni ji Mutiar, jive fulla di bahar. Now you would like to continue.
Thank you so much. So I'll introduce myself. Hello everybody, I'm Kasvi Khurana. I've been born and brought up here in Amritsar, Punjab, and I've done my schooling from Springdale Senior School, for which I am very grateful, and I like to talk about it further.
Yes, of course we will.
I'm pursuing my graduation at Guru Nanak Dev University, and I'm preparing for civil services.
Civil services.
And
right.
I'm pursuing BA B.Ed, so I'm actually going to be a doctorate in education in the future.
She's keen and highly, passionate to as far as the career is concerned. Okay, Kasvi, if we start from your childhood, memories, so let's go.
Sure.
Let's start with your parents first.
Yes, sure. So, in my childhood, like my mother was super enthusiastic about my personality building, so she put me into n number of classes, be it skating, swimming, dancing, English speaking, you name it, I've done it. My mother has put me to everything possible.
Right, drawing and painting, everything.
Painting, you name it, I've done it. Like I used to go to 5 classes a day with school, and my mother, she used to take me to every competition possible in the town, in Trillium Mall. Like I have like 60 trophies at my home.
60 trophies. We will have the picture. We'll surely share this picture with you.
But those are not mine. Those are my mom's. She deserves it.
She deserved.
Yes.
That's so sweet.
She is a goddess to me, and I am because she is. I am who
that's
she is.
That's so sweet. I am because of who she is.
So she used to take me to dance competitions and fancy dress competitions.
Right.
Bachpan mein.
Right.
And then when I grew up a little bit, I went into badminton. So I've represented states in badminton when I was younger. I played state level.
That's so nice.
Yes. So I've never actually sit in class. Never. I always used to be in extracurriculars. And then I grew up to become a debater. I'm a national debater.
National debater. Okay.
I've been to World Scholars Cup and various MUNs and many other competitions. So ये public speaking का कीड़ा भी मेरी मम्मा ने मेरे में डाला.
How sweet कीड़ा, public speaking का कीड़ा.
Yes, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love to be on the stage.
So we'll be using her, skills for my NGO girls also. I'll surely invite her once for the interaction with my girls, right?
Absolutely, would love to be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
then I grew up to be a public speaker, and Springdale has a very big chunk of in my personality building.
Right.
Because Springdale's used to.
So you were in Spring right from your starting?
Yes, right from my starting.
Nursery class?
Yes, not just me. I'm from a joint family, right? So we have 6 children at my home.
Okay.
All of us are Springdalians.
Wow.
My mother
Rajiv
is a Springdale.
It's always a pleasure when I meet the products of Springdales. They are super duper intelligent is the one thing, but they are ethically very strong people, and they are the modest also. The moment I said it's not a very big podcast, but it's small interaction which I would like to share. So yes, ma'am, I would like to. So that's the the generosity which comes from the roots of the Springdales.
Of course, Springdales is like, you can tell if somebody is from Springdale. I can tell, they don't hesitate to be, or impromptu. That's something that Springdalians have. Right. And a lot of it goes to Rajiv sir, a lot of it goes to Kirit ma'am. I've had a chance to give an interview to her for student council. So we used to have student council at our school, right?
Right.
So I was a vice president for Health and Wellness Club in grade 10th, and in grade 11th and 12th I was president for Health and Wellness Club. So I was a part of student council since grade 6 actually.
Since grade 6.
So yeah, they started.
That's why she is so spontaneous in speaking. She's continuously giving her ideas, and the words
It's true. It's because our school used to have interviews. So from grade 6 हमारे को काउंसलर्स बनाते थे.
Right.
Then वो सेक्रेटरी बनाते थे, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, प्रेसिडेंट. And there's a rigorous interview process that goes
अच्छा.
on. Yes. So imagine जो बच्चा दे रहा है उसको कल को जॉब इंटरव्यू में कोई
Because they've already gone through the
Yes,
same
they've
level
gone.
of work. You
Yes,
know, that's-
yes. And now I want to go for UPSC, right? I know that I've given n number of interviews and I have actually achieved to become a president. So you know,
Okay.
like fear नहीं है of interviews. That's
true.
because of the school. That's because the initiatives that they have.
The initiatives that your school takes is always polish your personalities to the
Yes,
best of the
student
level.
council is one thing. There's
Uh-huh.
so much more that our school has done for me. I can't thank my school enough.
It's always a pleasant thing when I meet these Springdalians. But she is more passionate because the time we have started, you can see the minutes scrolled. She's talking about her school.
Yes.
So I am really appreciating it.
Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
there used to be a lot of stuff.
So school ki journey say, if you talk about, you were having some good teachers. Teachers are all good, but some adorable ones that are always connected to the soul.
Yes,
Would
yes.
you like to name few?
So I went to this coaching for accounts, and I would like to mention Mr. Vaibhav Mehra sir.
Okay.
And जो उनसे पढ़े उनको पता है कि Vaibhav Mehra sir is equivalent to hard work. If I
Okay.
know the definition of hard work, it's
That is
because
Mr.
of him.
Vaibhav.
He got sick by the end of the 12th boards and he was hospitalized the next day.
अच्छा.
But he did not tell any of the student that he was in that condition. और उन्होंने अपना 100% दिया था. Last night तक हमें पढ़ा रहे थे. That kind of a dedication, because I'm also aspiring to be a teacher, right? I'm doing the BA B.Ed course, so I look up to him. Not just him, I look up to Shweta ma'am at my school. She's a business studies teacher, and I adore her so much. She's the one who believed in me when nobody did. She
Okay.
used to take me to competitions, and the Shelly ma'am, Kanika Soni ma'am, and Springdalians know who am I talking
I'm
about.
feeling so happy because it's always, when I start with a gupshup, some talk about a minute about school, or if prior I say we talk about school, no ma'am, directly about whatever I'm doing in present. But she's the one, the maximum minutes we have spent, talking about the schooling, and it's something very special.
Very grateful to Springdales
Very
and all the
grateful.
teachers who've been my mentors.
So that's true.
Yes.
See, every mentor for your best assures.
Yes,
So that's true.
true.
Okay, चलें, ये हो गया schooling की बात.
Yeah.
If we talk about your peer group, anything you would like to share, some good friends जो टांग खींचने वाले भी हों but helpful as well as.
I found a lot of friends in school, but at university, so I love making new friends and I love
Right.
meeting like-minded
So
people.
school का chapter it's done. Anything
Yeah,
else
yeah.
you would like to share?
University actually.
Now university. School का university. She's a student of Guru Nanak Dev University.
Yes.
So
I've met the most intellectual people at my university.
Right.
The kind of people that like masters in psychology, and they are doing AI and masters in AI.
Masters in AI.
In this era of artificial intelligence, I've
Right.
met so interesting people at my university that I didn't expect to actually, because
So it's see, these days people are going out of Amritsar even for the schooling.
Yeah.
It's only that the preschools they do here, and once they
True.
just grow up, they. But do you feel that our city is providing the good educational
Yes,
hubs?
yes,
I
yes.
feel we are having one of the best educational hubs
I
as
think
far
it
as
is so
schooling.
underrated. Guru Nanak Dev
Guru Nanak Dev
University
universities
is-
and when I talk about ma'am क्या सिर्फ GND भी बची है ना.
Yeah, this is what I used to hear. This is what I
Huh?
used to hear, and this
This
is
is
so
something-
wrong. This is such a preconceived notion.
Because I feel the professors over there, the teachers over there, mentors over there,
my God.
they are with the
Brilliant.
commendable
Brilliant.
hard work.
Oh my God! So the day I stepped into Guru Nanak Dev University, my department's Department of Education, right?
Right.
It's a new department. My course is a new course. We are
The course
just the
is a new
second
course.
batch.
You are just the second
Yes.
batch.
So my
Okay.
HOD, Dr. Amit Kaur sir, the time that he entered into the hall and he started speaking,
Right.
I was stunned. I was like, I just
It
want
was
to
so
keep
much
listening. Oh my
captivating,
God.
you know.
His aura speaks for himself, and I could know that he is the HOD.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he is.
So see, it means the products of GNDU or the mentors of GNDU, they are just not good enough, but the brilliant souls.
Brilliant. It's a preconceived notion that you have to
Yes.
step out of your.
And I really want that the more youngsters should see this episode, because when I have my cousins, when I talk to them and say this, क्या दीदी बस GNDU बची ना. I said bus means what?
नहीं
I am
है.
also from GNDU product only.
Oh, wow.
But then it's something when they say bus यही है ना.
Yeah.
I said bus means what?
मेरे को भी यही लगता था.
It depends upon your hard work. It depends upon your regular hours that you spend for your
Like I
career.
told you, I'm into debating, right? So मेरा fear ये था कि what if there are no debates? What if there is no sports there? But I can't tell you the level of competition.
Okay.
There's youth festival.
Youth festivals and at the very good level. This I can also witness
So
very true.
I was in the second week of my admission, right? So second week में youth fest के auditions हो रहे थे. So I had no idea कहाँ पे English department है, कहाँ जाना है. मैं पहुँच गई. And somehow I got selected. And I want to mention Dr. Ujjaljeet ma'am, Sumneet ma'am. These were the teachers who took my audition, right?
Dr. Sumneet from GND English department?
Yes.
Dr. Sumneet, see, your hard work speaks here, even at Gursima's Gupshup. I am so grateful. I've been waiting for her to come here.
Really?
So, yes.
Even Ujjaljeet ma'am, all the English department teachers who gave me a chance to go to the stage and speak, because I was in my first year, I was a fresher. So
Right.
I was so grateful कि मुझे chance मिला. So I went on the stage and I talked and I debated. I did pretty well, but I didn't win.
We'll have some photographs, scrolling all these incidents.
So I didn't win for the first time. उसके बाद जश्न हुआ. जश्न is an inter department.
Right.
तो तब I went for debate and poetry, and this time I won. So
Okay.
I write poetry, and this time I wrote it's a self-written poetry. that I
Please,
say.
let's listen.
It's
So
about-
poetry is something my viewers know कि Gursima is really passionate about poetry. So I have got another poet to listen to. I would love to listen to your
Okay,
poems.
so it's about Punjab.
अच्छा जी,
And
please.
poetry ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਅਮਰ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਖੁਆਬ.
ਅਮਰ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਖੁਆਬ. Please begin.
ਗੌਰ ਫਰਮਾਇਓ. ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ
थोड़ा
ਹੁਣ
आवाज.
ਤਾਂ
Right.
ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ ਕੁੱਲ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਮੇਥੋਂ ਅਸਾਂ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਖੁਆਬ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੀ ਮਿੱਠੜੀ ਜਹੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਤੇ ਭਾਈ ਮਰਦਾਨੇ ਦੀ ਰਬਾਬ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਛਮ ਛਮ ਵਗਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਰਾਵੀ ਤੇ ਛਾਲਾ ਮਾਰ ਮਾਰ ਵਗਦਾ ਚਨਾਬ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਸੋਚ ਸੋਚ ਅੱਕ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਓ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੰਜ ਆਬ ਵਾਲਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈ ਪਾਣੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਚਾਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਮਧਾਣੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਓਏ ਵੰਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਤਕਦੀਰ ਤੇ
Can you repeat these lines again?
ਪਾਣੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਚਾਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਮਧਾਣੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੰਡ ਕੇ ਓਏ ਵੰਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਤਕਦੀਰ ਤੇਥੋਂ ਵੰਡੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਰਾਂਝੇ ਤੇ ਵੰਡੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਜਾਣੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਜਿਹੀ ਹੀਰ ਵੇ ਵੰਡਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਦੇ ਅੱਲਾ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੇ ਵੰਡਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਬੁੱਲਾ ਪੀਰ ਵੇ ਵੰਡਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਦੇ ਸਿੰਧ ਤੋਂ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਤੇ ਵੰਡਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਸ਼ਮੀਰ ਵੇ
वंडिया नहीं जाना कश्मीर में.
and this was right before the war that the session happened and I was awestruck.
I am awestruck. It's so mesmerizing rhythm, and poetry is something my viewers know. It's always appeals my heart. But then this was beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful. Just
Thank you.
Thank you. So happy to listen
Thank
to
you
it.
so much.
So when you wrote this, I want to know, someone motivated you for this?
Yes. So Jaspreet ma'am at my university in my department, she has done so much efforts for me to write this poem, rehearse this poem for a month straight. उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत कराई है. I can't even tell you. गला मेरा खराब हो गया, but she used to take this and she did it with like I'm her daughter. उन्होंने इतने efforts डाले and then I was prepared to go to Jashan because
See, it's always we always say कि वो उस तरह के उस्ताद अब नहीं है, but ये ऐसा नहीं है.
No.
There are many adorable, precious souls who act as a mentor in your life so that you reach somewhere.
True. And the day I stepped on the stage, Jaspreet ma'am, before I stepped on the stage, she told me, "तू मेरे लिए पहली winner है. तू पहली winner है मेरे लिए." So that
See, such sentences and these statements, it doesn't only give me the goosebumps, but it's something. not only double your strengths, it's like 100 times you get more strength to pursue your goals.
Yes, she told me Guru Ramdas ji tere naal ne. She's such a good mentor, and I've never told her how grateful I am for her.
So today she got the chance. She would like to talk to all the names she would like to take who actually, served a very important,
I hope she
pivotal
sees
roles
this.
in this
True,
journey of her.
true that.
Okay. ਹੁਣ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਚੱਲੀਏ ਥੋੜਾ.
हाँ जी, now I'm preparing for UPSC, PCS and all the civil services
Oh, all the
exams.
civil services.
Yes, this is something I never really thought that I would do in my
Hanji.
school time because I took commerce. So then when I came to university, my HOD and my peers were preparing for UPSC.
अच्छा.
So I was like, this is a good scope. I had no idea hota kya.
What UPSC
Yes, I had
actually
no
is.
idea.
And there is no one in the family also who crossed.
I come from a business family, so nobody.
So पापा ने या किसी ने बोला नहीं घर में भी यार ये कौन सा काम तू करने जा रही है?
They were very happy actually.
They were very
I'm
happy.
going for
Chalo,
that.
that's good.
Yeah, they are very supporting, very supportive.
This is very positive thing for your
Yes.
journey.
They are actually the ones finding courses for me in Delhi. They are the ones
Ah.
calling.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yes.
Acha, please proceed.
Yeah, so I started searching about UPSC and then I was like, again, I was awestruck कि यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए इतनी मेहनत करनी
इतनी
पड़ती है.
मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
But then I was like, पहुँचना तो है.
पहुंचना तो है कुड़ी ने. So if I really want if my girls and your girls students get motivated, how many hours you study daily?
So I'm in an initial stage. अभी I'm giving 6 hours for UPSC की तैयारी.
Right.
So I go to library in GNDU and
अच्छा जी.
माहौल वहाँ का पूरा पढ़ने वाला होता है. 6 hours, like 4 hours, 2 hours, ऐसे straight study for.
Straight study, so 6
But
hours
I'm in
का-
an initial stage. I'm doing self study right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in my second year, so I still have.
You still have
Few
time.
years, yeah.
But you have started working on it. That is the more important
I
thing.
study, so the thing is I don't study in a way कि जल्दी ख़त्म करना है कि लक्ष्मीकांत खोलिए and you have to complete one chapter today no matter what. No.
Right.
I do it in a way कि पढ़ने को क्या मिल रहा है, like सीखने को क्या मिल रहा है. If I'm studying a certain thing and I didn't know about it, मैं लिखती इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि मुझे wow, I didn't know about it.
You didn't know about
Now I know about it. तो मैं उसको इतना deeply पढ़ रही हूँ कि I don't forget it and I don't.
So you make the notes for yourself and all.
But I don't study with a time or a clock at my head कि मैंने 6 घंटे ही
6
पढ़ना
घंटे पढ़ना, that's
है.
something.
Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more.
It's
But
more.
what matters is the value and the outcome. अगर outcome नहीं आया तो वो 6 घंटे बेकार है. बैठे रहो,
Right,
कोई
right,
बात नहीं.
very true.
Some people do it in a pseudo way कि दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है and पढ़ नहीं रहे हो. You go to the best coaching of UPSC, but अगर आप नहीं effort डालोगे 10
You will
घंटे
not
12
able to.
घंटे
हाँ जी,
nothing
you will
happens.
not able to achieve
Yes.
your goal.
Yeah.
That's fine. अच्छा पढ़ाई की बात हो आज पहली बार ऐसा हो कि पढ़ाई की अच्छी बातें कर रहे हैं it's all this. If थोड़ा सा इस besides this what else if we say music or dance or any other activity that you like to do.
Dance, I've done a lot of dance in my younger years.
And it's like you must have gone for some competitions also.
Many competitions.
Many
There
competitions.
used to be this thing called Superstar of the City.
Acha.
And in 2016, I won it.
So we have got the superstar. Already she's a superstar.
It used to be called that, and उसमें बहुत कुछ था. Singing, dancing, fancy dress, everything. So there's a big shield that I've got. This big shield that I've got.
So we'll have the picture also.
Yeah, it's in 2016. So तब somebody came to my mom that we want to cast your daughter for this ad. Would you be
Okay.
interested?
Okay.
Yeah, so my mother used to no, I didn't go for it. My mother used to take me to every dance competition. I used to go to Gopika ma'am.
Okay.
And मैंने बहुत dance competitions करे हैं. I used to dance on old numbers. रात का समा झूमे चंद्रमा. These
Okay.
kind of songs I have done.
Okay.
I have done a Jhansi Ki Rani act once.
Okay.
And that was a blockbuster. That I can say.
You were a-
I'll share a photo with you. I dressed like a Jhansi Ki Rani, and that was a
कुड़ी
very
वैसे भी झांसी की रानी बन गई है.
Thank you. So it was a full powerful act. So
Right.
I've done many acts like these on
So
stages.
this was like there is no stage phobia for you.
Not at
no
all.
stage fear because your school, your environment, your mom especially
Yeah.
has been the ultimate support of your life.
Yes.
Gave you the best of the platform to flourish ahead. Right?
Yes.
चलो.
Right.
ये हो गया. UPSC की बारे में बातें की इसमें. So anything else that you would like because we have time and I really want anything else besides my questions. Anything else you would like to share?
Nothing about education.
Nothing.
Right?
नहीं education बहुत पढ़ाई का काम हो गया. Something else.
All right. What do you want me to talk about?
Anything that what is the best time pass for you? एक तो आपने classes बहुत सारी join की, that's fine, but besides this what?
I love traveling.
You love traveling.
Love traveling. I've been to Europe. I've been to Thailand a lot of times.
And with your family members?
So Europe, I went with school.
Europe, you went with school.
Yes. Springdale.
Springdales.
Yes.
I am really grateful that when you see, okay, your school students, they're going to Europe. So any good memory that you would like to share about your trip to Europe?
Everything is a great memory. You know, I was with my friends. I was with the teachers that have taught me. So it was like a good environment.
So what was the special thing that why you went over there? Was it something?
So there was this hotel and there was a beach to our hotel, right? So
Okay.
it was a private beach. So we all sneaked out at night. So all of us, like we entered very late, right?
Right.
So we didn't ask our teachers that can we go?
Acha.
It was a private.
Because you were so excited, no? You thought
So it was in Italy, I believe. So we just stepped into the hotel and all of us, 30 people of us, हम सारे beach पे चले गए. We didn't care to ask our teachers कि हम जा सकते हैं. Because it was a private beach.
So you thought कि जा सकते वाली बात क्या पूछनी? It is understood.
Staff को भी क्या ही पूछना है. So we went and all of us हम वहाँ चले गए and then like हमें we were locked from outside. Staff locked it. We had no idea कि इसका end भी तो like they will also close it, right?
So they were aware that you were inside.
No, they didn't know. They didn't know.
So
Nobody knew.
interesting, incident there.
So we were locked from outside and then we are like some nerdy students and some fun students, right? So one of the, so we thought हम gate टाप के चले जाएंगे rooms में. तो why to call teachers and make it scene? So somebody called. अभी तक नहीं पता who called.
किसने call किया? किसने
We don't
पता
know
दिया?
who called. I don't know who called, but somebody called the teacher and हम फंस गए हैं, हमें lock कर दिया है. And I'm like, oh my god. The teachers came and just shouting at us कि अब हम नहीं खोलेंगे, we will not open this. So we
But आपको पता चल गया होगा अगर teachers आ गए हैं, चाहे वो ये बोल रहे हैं मगर वो खोल देंगे.
खोलना देना एक Mediterranean sea है, यहाँ पे कोई snake आ गया, कुछ आ गया, खा गया, then what? We are responsible, right? So उस time पे तो and we are all wet. We have gone into the beach inside the waves and हम सारे then we are standing in a line in like wet clothes and the teachers are recording us कि ये बच्चे हैं.
So how the scene ended then finally
No,
on a good note?
No,
not at all.
We came back, you know, the basic procedure.
The protocol was pursued for you or against you,
But
whatever.
this is उस time पे it seemed like such a problem, but now it's a core memory.
It's a core memory.
It's a core. We have photos, we have videos, we are all panicking.
So they have got enough of the material even to share with the next generation. कि ये आप मत करना, ये but we have
But
done.
traveling is something that I think everybody should.
Everybody should
You
do.
know, if you want to, find your true self, you should travel. I love traveling because and not just traveling, जाके photos खिंचवाना.
Right.
Sit with the people of
Sit
that
with
sit a
people and
certain
learn
place.
from that culture
Yes.
and all that.
What do they think about life? What do they think about earning? Like you.
She is so what's to say, one who perceives more. She perceives more, she reflects more. So this is a very, very positive point which I got to know while having the conversation with her.
Thank you. So traveling, like I was telling you, that when you sit with somebody from a different place, right, they have a totally different opinion about life. So I had this conversation with somebody in Paris and they're like, we don't earn to earn or invest or save. Like यहाँ पे it's like keep saving, keep investing in gold, keep investing in stuff like that. They are like enjoy life. उतना कमाओ जितना आपको जीने के लिए चाहिए, जितना आपको enjoy करने के लिए. Just everybody. I'm not of the same perspective though.
Right.
I'm not. I'm an Indian person. I have Indian perspective.
There are certain things which are in our roots.
But
so
you should know. You should know.
You should know the different cultures. So it was wonderful to have a chit chat with such a beautiful, bubbling girl, and I loved it. And I'm sure that my viewers will enjoy this. And plus, salutation to all the mentors who made her such a fine personality. So I always say teacher is the teacher who knows to fill the empty picture. So teacher is something, they know to mark the niche in your life. So thank you so much. It was wonderful to have you here. And I hope that audience will love it. Please subscribe, share and like. मिलते हैं next episode with one more personality and with one more kahani. Thank you.
Thank you.